So hey guys, welcome back. So today is all about them vectors. We're gonna look at vector representation. Now, what is a vector? Now, vector is a quantity that has both size and direction. Now, vectors are written in the form x, y, like this. Now, vector is another name for a column matrix. Now, this format tells us the direction in which the vector is moving. For example, this x describes the horizontal movement, meaning to say if a vector is positive, that means that the vector is moving to the right. And if it's negative, then it means that's moving left. So that's right, that's left. Now, on the y-axis, if you're going up, then we say then that is the positive on the y-axis. And if you're going down, that would be negative. That would be your negative. All right, so we have some questions here. We're asked to represent or interpret these vectors. So, so the first vector is vector A. All right, so what we're going to do is that we need to find out if this is the starting point and this is the end point. How do we interpret this? So it means on the x-axis, this would have gone 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the x-axis, that would have been moved 4. And on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that means that when I'm writing this vector, I'm going to call this vector 4, 4. It means that it's going 4 places to the right and then 4 up. All right, so let's look at this vector B over here. So that has 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x-axis and 1, 2. So this vector here is going to be written as on the x-axis, that's 4, and on the y-axis is 2. Now, why is it 2? Because remember from a little code down here, if I'm going up, then the vector is going to be positive. All right, let's look at letter C now. Now, letter C, we're coming down. So on the x-axis, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the x-axis here. But on the y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm writing this vector now. Please notice what I'm going to do now. On the x-axis, we have 4. And on the y-axis, we have minus 4. Now remember that anytime you're going with the direction of the vector, it is positive, and once you're going against it, it's negative. Now on the x-axis, we can see on the x-axis, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the x-axis, we have 7, and on the y-axis, there's no movement, so we put 0. So this vector here is 7 and 0. All right, so at these last 3 that we have down here on the x-axis, we had 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 here. And on the y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is on the x-axis 4, because on the y we're going down, that is negative 4. For F, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 on the x-axis and nothing is on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, we get 0. And last but not least, we have on the x-axis, there's no movement. But on the y, we have, if that's here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on the x-axis, there was 0 movement, and on the y-axis, because we're going down, that is negative. So we look at how to interpret a vector. A vector is something that has both size and magnitude. So we write a vector, the x value goes to the top, the y value is at the bottom. If the movement is positive, that indicates that that vector is going to the right, and it's negative is going left. And for the y, it is positive if it's going up, and negative is going down. I hope this little video was useful. If so, just leave your boy a comment, and I'll see you